Very warm good morning to all of you. So, how are you, my lovely viewers? I hope you all are guys very well. So, are you exciting? What is today's task? Well, let me tell you that it's very interesting today task. So, if you want to know, so please comment, subscribe and like the video. And I would like to thanks to all my lovely viewers who are like to watching my videos. Thank you so much. So I'm your host and host Deepa, and today I'm going to tell about my new task. So I have got a task which is unboxing. So let's start. So this is my order. So last yeah, on Sunday I ordered a camisol for me from Flipkart. So let's see how is it. Let's unboxing this packet. Come. Let me tell you, it is a very difficult to unbox the packet. It's too much sticky. Actually, I need scissors, but it's finally open. And see, wow, see guys, this is in white color. And let me check. Yeah, I love white color. It's look very decent, peaceful, and it's look like a VIP. So that's why I choose a white color. And most of my dresses you can see in a white color. So please comment that who like the most white color to wear to any uh, work or in your house decoration. Please tell me in comment box. So this is my today task, which is unboxing packet or anyone you like you order for yourself. So it's done. Thank you so much guys. Let so we meet in the next video. Till then, bye bye and stay tuned and watching my channel, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye.